Hello, I'm Katie from WTI, and this is the carpet hair remover from HIMODA. So this has been especially useful for me with my pets. So I have 2 cats and a dog, and they all shed and drive me crazy because it always feels like no matter how much I vacuum, there is always hair. So this tool from HIMODA has been extremely useful. First, I just really love how easy it is to reach hard places. For instance, the edges of the carpet against the wall that the vacuum always just misses. And it's easier to pull out and use to spot clean in between vacuums rather than looking out the vacuum all the time. I also like that it can be used on multiple surfaces, so you can also use it to clean places like your couch. It's just very easy to clean and to store, and it's just so small that it's not going to take up any space. I think it's a great tool for every pet owner. So now you know, try it for yourself. And that is my point of view.